Guys, ang ganda nito. Ayan po yung aking blazer for today. Ayan, ganito siya guys. Worth of 150 pesos. I really love it. Ayan guys, isusukat na natin siya. Ayan. Kasi pupunta tayong beach. Yung ating outfit for today. My beach outfit for today guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ayan po, ito yung ating blazer na susuotin. Ayan, for today. Ayan, so guys, ito na. Ito na yung aking blazer na napakaganda. I really love it. Ang lakas niya makaputi, guys. Ayan, oh. One of my fashion. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pack na pack siya. Yung ating likuran. Ayan. Pack. Ayan, guys. Ay, diba? I really love it. Ayan, guys. Meron na naman akong panibagong blazer. At ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, sumurang halaga lang yan, guys, for only 150 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack yung aking beach outfit for today. Pack. Ayan. Ayan, ganda naman yung aking guys, fashion for today. Because I really love having them, guys. Pack, 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 ayan o. That's all for today, guys. I really love it.